Hello, my name is Andrew and I'm a senior engineer in charge of the Harrison brand product development. I'd like to introduce you to the line of screw compressors famous for American brand Harrison. First, I'm gonna tell you the history of brand in a nutshell. It has been founded in the USA by a group of manufacturers of equipment for pumping gas. With the increasing demand for products, the company decided to launch production of related equipment, compressors. After 6 months, the first model was produced and sold. After 1.5 years, the first batch was imported to Western Europe and has gained a reputation of being reliable and highly efficient equipment. Where did the brand Harrison come from? It is simple. One of the design engineers was a young military equipment engineer named Harrison Rost. This is how the Harrison brand industrial equipment appeared. At the moment, we have more than 1,500 employees at the enterprise. Our factory produces more than 1,000 units. The company has its own quality control system that allows making products in accordance to world-class quality standards. Let's talk about screw compressors, the line which will be introduced on the Russian market. First, it's necessary to tell you about the advantages and disadvantages of the version. The screw compressor line includes approximately 150 models and can meet the needs of any production, from a small garage car services with about 100 gallons to acquire 500 liters per minute performance to a large production premise with a performance higher than 22,000 gallons, which equals 100,000 liters per minute. The screw compressors line consists of the model range. Screw air compressors with belt drive with performance from 120 gallons, 550 liters per minute to 3,000 gallons, 13 liters per minute, and compressor pressure from 8 to 12 bar. Belt design compressors allow reducing overall size of block, but belt drive is not practical to use for performance of more than 3,300 gallons, 15,000 liters per minute. The screw air compressors with direct drive with performance from 120 gallons, 550 liters per minute to 12,000 gallons, 55,000 liters per minute, and compressor pressure from 8 to 13 bar. This design is recognized as general industrial and allows providing around-the-clock demand for compressor in any production facilities. The low-pressure screw air compressors with performance from 1,000 gallons, 4,800 liters per minute to 10,000 gallons, 45,000 liters per minute, and compressor pressure from 1.5 to 5 bar. This model line will be appropriate for industries with a large number of blowing nozzles. The refrigerator dryer, used to prepare for certain stage of production processes. As example, painting where the presence of moisture and silicons is unacceptable. This line allows choosing a model for any performance and pressure of the compressor. Receivers with capacity from 300 to 2,000 liters. It is a tank for storing air reserves which allow the compressors to operate in a less demanding regime. Highlight of our model range. It is monoblock design of compressors, 2-in-1, compressor and receiver, and 3-in-1, compressor, receiver, and dryer. This line involves models with performance from 120 gallons, 550 liters per minute, to 500 gallons, 2,300 liters per minute, and output pressure from 8 to 12 bar. The configuration of processors allows using the workspace as efficiently as possible and is suitable for productions with limited space. I would also like to note that in the assortment of the Harrison company, you can find expendable items such as filter elements, oil, repair parts. I would like to point that all equipment goes through 2 stages of verification, namely random check of lots of high-loaded nodes, such as screw pair. Measurements are made of high precision 5 coordinates tables and test run of each position for failure and pressure testing. Thank you for choosing the Harrison brand. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.